أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Al-Quran, Chapter 2, Verse 183 يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O believers, fasting is prescribed for you, as it was for those before you, that you may become righteous. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. As you heard in the Quranic verse, Saum or Roza has been there since before Islam. The Abrahamic religions, such as Christians and Jews, did fast. Several other religions, like the Hindus and many cultural groups, also follow different types of fasting, from food, drinks, and types of clothing. Some of the Muslims believe that Saum, Roza, should only be in 1 month of Ramadan, as said in the Holy Quran, Chapter 2, Verse 185. However, fasting is mentioned in the Holy Quran for several other reasons as well. For instance, as a replacement for sacrifice after Hajj, or as a punishment for lying under oath, etc. So let's see what Ramadan truly means. Ramadan is one of the names of Mawla Ali alayhi salam. The ta'wil or esoteric meaning of Ramadan quoted in the book of Wajh-ud-Din for the explanation of the Quranic verse 185 in chapter 2, Sayyidina Nasir Khusraw says, quote, "The month of Ramadan is the person in whom the Quran is revealed in the form of ta'wil, that is, the wasi, legatee of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, so that he may guide the people on the right path and distinguish its clear proofs." Unquote. This explanation clarified esoterically that Mawla Ali alayhi salam is the month of Ramadan, and all Muslims were asked to reach him spiritually. As the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, quote, "He who leaves Ali leaves me, and he who leaves me indeed leaves Allah." Unquote. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.